And let's begin by getting you the latest updates on the Bangladesh crisis. Here's a message that's coming from former Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, who, remember, had to flee from Dhaka just before the riots broke out. Breaking her silence, Sheikh Hasina has blamed the United States of America for her ouster as Prime Minister. She's also warned the interim government of being used. This is the first statement that's coming from Sheikh Hasina after the interim government was formed under the leadership of Mohammad Yunus. Sheikh Hasina has a message for them saying very clearly that they will be used. Hasina, in her statement, has said that I lost power. I was removed because I didn't bow down to the United States. She's also denied a controversy that had erupted where, in fact, there were allegations that she called the student protesters as Razakars. She's denied it, saying, I never made such a comment. I never called students as Razakars. Geeta Mohana, Foreign Affairs Editor, is joining us with more details on this. Geeta, there's been a lot of talk about, the US's hand in the crisis playing out in Bangladesh. Sheikh Hasina also, in her statement now, has pinned the blame on US, saying, I didn't bow down to them, and that's why I've been removed.
Well, that's a major statement coming in from Sheikh Hasina. The fact that she has now hinted at US involvement in in ousting her from power. And the fact that the United States of America for a very long time wanted stakes in the Bay of Bengal to Saint Martin Islands. This is a major allegation by Sheikh Hasina against the Americans. We will have to wait and see what the Americans have to say about this, a reaction from them. But there are a few more things that she's gone on to say. She's also said that she would that she will return soon. That it is not over for her. And that also is a very important message that she said. The letter says, don't despair, I will return soon, inshallah. The defeat is mine, but the victory is the people of Bangladesh. So a very strong message on, again, what her plans could be in the future, that it is not over for Sheikh Hasina. So, and like you pointed out, the fact that she's now saying she never called protesters Razakars, and which means traitors. So, a few very important points that she's making. This is a statement that was to be recorded, is what we were told before she was going to put in the papers. But things got out of hand so bad in Dhaka that she had only 45 minutes to leave the country. So this is a statement that has now been released.
All right, Geeta, thanks for those details. Geeta telling us that this was the statement that Sheikh Hasina was hoping to put out before she really left from Bangladesh, but things moved so fast and in 45 minutes she had to leave that she didn't get an opportunity to actually put out a televised message. And now details of that statement coming out where Sheikh Hasina has pinned the blame on America's intervention, on their interference rather, and that, she says, led to her ouster.